if you try to repair this kind of inverter every time the MOSFETs are burning, so just take out the all transformer, all the MOSFET of the DC side, and the transformer output side, the diode for the rectification, take out that one also. Just connect one external rectifier bridge. The output of rectifier bridge will go to the capacitor, negative and positive. This is my old UPS, which I also take out ready the AC line input and convert into as a inverter continuous. So this is not a pure sine wave, it's output a modified wave. So what I'm going to do, the AC 220 volt input into the rectifier here, this one, and the output of this DC charging on that capacitor, and then we will get the output. So the first you will on the DC, and now we on the AC. Okay, here one thing you remember, because this one we are getting output from this UPS, the modified wave, and just be using the the pure sine wave modulation for the output of from this one to just using the one rectifier and capacitor. So here only one problem, the voltage will be reduced when you put the more heavy load. Let's put some load. This is a 100-watt fan, it's on, voltage is still stable 220 volt. Let's on the lights. 120-watt lights are on, include fan. The voltage is set to 185. It will continue like that, and sometime if the load is get off, it will back to 220, but it's still working. So 220 watt load running on this inverter, which is now no more have the DC input state. We taking the DC from here, convert it to rectification and getting the output, but still is okay. The voltage is 179 due to 200 watt to 182. So this will be like that because no have the voltage feedback to here, but from here it will be continuous to approximately 180 volts on the AC output. So here simple UPS, DC rectification, here onto this rectifier bridge diode, output go to that capacitors, and we can get the simple output. That is a simple way to utilize back your old inverter. No throw.